and I'm just gonna let it rain. Let it rain. Tears will dry, but right now I will let them hit the ground. Me and my emotions talk it out. I don't wanna turn them down. I'm not scared of the dark, so I will stay underneath the skies of gray. It's okay if you're not okay, 'cause heaven's gonna come for me, and I'm just gonna let